Do you have what it takes to survive the unexpected? From life-saving tools to mind-blowing gadgets, these 25 new survival essentials on Amazon are absolute game changers for 2025. Stick around, because number one could literally save your life. Solar-powered lantern and charger. Picture this, you're deep in the woods and night is falling fast. Your flashlight dies, but wait, you have this solar-powered lantern in your pack. Not only does it light up the night, but it charges your phone too. It's collapsible, lightweight, and eco-friendly. A lifesaver when you need light and power during an emergency or camping trip. Imagine gathering around its warm glow with your friends, feeling safe and connected even in the middle of nowhere. Emergency survival. Whistle. You're on a solo hike and suddenly you lose your trail. Panic sets in. That's when you remember your emergency whistle. With a blast loud enough to carry for miles, rescuers quickly find you. This tiny gadget, no bigger than a pen, ensures you're never alone in an emergency. Whether you're on a mountain or at a crowded festival, this whistle is your voice when you need to be heard. Life Straw Personal Water Filter. Imagine stumbling upon a murky river after hours of hiking without water. You're parched but wary of drinking unfiltered water. That's when the Life Straw comes to the rescue. Just sip straight from the stream. It filters out bacteria and parasites instantly. This compact gadget has saved countless lives in survival situations. It's like carrying your own personal water purifier, giving you peace of mind no matter where you roam. Multi-tool survival shovel. Ever thought a shovel could be your ultimate survival companion? Meet the multi-tool survival shovel. You're camping and you need to dig a fire pit, chop wood, or even open a bottle. This tool transforms into everything you need, from a knife to a fire starter. Its rugged design and versatility make it a must-have for adventurers. Every time you use it, you'll feel like a modern-day MacGyver, ready for anything nature throws your way. Tactical fire starter bracelet. Picture sitting around a campfire that just won't start and the cold is creeping in. Enter the tactical fire starter bracelet. With one quick strike, sparks fly, igniting your fire in seconds. But that's not all. It's also a compass and whistle. A stylish accessory that doubles as a life-saving tool, this bracelet ensures you're prepared for any situation, whether you're camping or surviving in the wild. Waterproof matches! You're caught in a downpour soaked to the bone and you need warmth fast. Regular matches are useless, but not these waterproof wonders. They strike even when wet and light a fire in the worst conditions. They're small enough to slip into your pocket, yet powerful enough to save your life. Think of them as your trusty sidekick, always ready to save the day. Portable camping stove. Imagine cooking a hot meal in the heart of the forest without carrying bulky equipment. The portable camping stove uses twigs and leaves as fuel, making it lightweight and eco-friendly. Whether you're boiling water or grilling fish you just caught, this stove adds comfort to any outdoor adventure. Its compact size means you can toss it in your bag and go, ready for a delicious meal wherever the journey takes you. First aid emergency kit. Accidents happen, especially in the wild. A slip, a cut, or a bee sting can turn serious fast. This first aid emergency kit has everything you need in one compact case: bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and more. It's like carrying a mini hospital in your bag. Whether you're hiking with friends or exploring solo, this kit gives you the confidence to handle minor injuries like a pro. Survival bivy sack. You didn't expect the temperature to drop this fast, and now you're freezing. Enter the Survival Bivy Sack, an ultralight sleeping bag that reflects your body heat to keep you warm. It packs down so small, you'll forget you're carrying it until it saves you from hypothermia. Perfect for emergencies or chilly nights, this sack is a must-have for every adventurer who values comfort and safety. Tactical pen with glass breaker. You're trapped in your car after an accident and the doors won't open. A quick jab with this tactical pen shatters the window, giving you a way out. This pen isn't just a writing tool, it's a lifesaver. Sleek, durable, and always handy, it's the ultimate everyday carry item that combines practicality with peace of mind. Portable water purifier bottle. You've run out of bottled water and the nearest clean source is miles away. This purifier bottle changes the game, filtering harmful bacteria and chemicals as you drink. Whether you're camping or traveling, it's like carrying clean water in your hands. One sip and you'll wonder how you ever explored without it. Solar power bank. Your phone is dead and you're miles from civilization. With this solar power bank, just a bit of sunlight gives your devices a full charge. Rugged, waterproof, and featuring a built-in flashlight, this gadget is perfect for staying connected and powered up no matter where your adventure takes you. Compact, windproof umbrella. Picture standing in a windstorm, your umbrella flipped inside out. This windproof umbrella, however, doesn't budge. Its tough construction ensures you stay dry in any weather. Small enough to fit in your bag, it's a trusty companion for unexpected rain or blustery days. Collapsible backpack. You're walking through a bustling market when you spot unexpected treasures, but your hands are already full. That's when you pull out this collapsible backpack. It unfolds in seconds into a full-sized, sturdy bag. Lightweight yet durable, it's perfect for carrying everything from groceries to hiking gear. When you're done, it folds back into a pocket-sized pouch. It's the ultimate just-in-case solution for travelers, adventurers, or anyone on the go. Emergency survival radio. Imagine being caught in a storm, miles from home, with no cell service. This emergency survival radio becomes your lifeline. It keeps you updated with weather alerts, has a flashlight for visibility, and even charges your phone with a hand crank. Compact and reliable, it's a must-have for any survival kit. Picture yourself cranking it in the dark, knowing you're staying informed and connected when it matters most. Personal alarm. Keychain. Walking home late at night, you hear footsteps behind you. Feeling uneasy, you press the button on your personal alarm keychain, and a deafening siren fills the air. The sound scares off any potential threat, drawing attention to your location. This small but powerful gadget is a discreet safety net that fits in your pocket. It's peace of mind on a key ring, ready to protect you at a moment's notice. Bear Grylls. Survival knife. You're deep in the wilderness and it's time to prepare dinner after a long day. With the Bear Grylls survival knife in hand, slicing through rope, branches, or even your dinner is effortless. Its sharp, durable blade makes it a multi-purpose tool for outdoor adventures. Designed by one of the world's most famous survivalists, this knife feels like holding expertise and reliability in your palm. Rechargeable hand warmers. It's winter and your fingers are so cold they're practically numb. Enter rechargeable hand warmers. These sleek devices fit perfectly in your palm, providing instant warmth when you need it most. But they're more than hand warmers, they also double as power banks for your devices. Whether you're skiing, hiking, or just braving the cold, they make frosty days a whole lot cozier. Compact fishing kit. You're camping by a serene lake and the idea of fresh-caught fish for dinner sounds too good to pass up. This compact fishing kit fits in your pocket but holds everything you need. Hooks, line, weights, and more. With it, you cast your line and wait for the bite. It's a tool that transforms a peaceful moment by the water into a rewarding survival skill. Emergency sleeping pad. After a long day hiking, the last thing you want is to sleep on the cold, hard ground. That's where this inflatable sleeping pad shines. It provides a warm, cushioned surface to rest on, making even the roughest terrain feel comfortable. Easy to inflate and ultralight to carry, it's a game changer for anyone who values a good night's sleep in the wild. Survival multi-tool card. Imagine you're out and need to open a can, tighten a screw, or cut a rope, all without a bulky toolkit. This multi-tool card fits in your wallet yet functions as a can opener, wrench, screwdriver, and more. Small but mighty, it's always there when you need it. It's like carrying a tiny toolbox in your pocket, ready for life's little challenges. Tactical flashlight. You're walking a dark trail and suddenly you hear a rustle in the bushes. With the press of a button, your tactical flashlight floods the area with light, revealing everything around you. This flashlight isn't just bright, it's waterproof, durable, and even features a stun mode for self-defense. It's the perfect tool for navigating the night and keeping danger at bay. Paracord survival. Grenade. You're stranded and every tool counts. The paracord survival grenade unravels to reveal fishing line, fire-starting gear, and more essentials for survival. It's like a miniature toolkit wrapped in a strong paracord, which can itself be used for countless purposes. Small enough to clip onto your pack, but packed with utility, it's a survivalist dream. Self-heating meal pack. Imagine hiking through the cold, your stomach growling. You open this self-heating meal pack, add water, and watch as it heats itself. In minutes, you're enjoying a warm, hearty meal without needing a fire or stove. It's perfect for adventurers who want to travel light but still enjoy a comforting hot meal no matter where they are. Portable solar oven. And here we are. Number 1. Imagine baking bread or cooking a stew in the middle of nowhere, powered entirely by sunlight. This portable solar oven harnesses the sun's rays to cook your meals. Eco-friendly and free of fuel costs. Lightweight and easy to carry, it transforms how you think about outdoor cooking. Whether you're off-grid or just enjoying a sunny picnic, it's a futuristic gadget that's as practical as it is amazing. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the 25 coolest new survival gear and gadgets of 2025. Adventure or just staying ready for the unexpected, these tools are sure to have your back. Don't forget to let us know your favorite gadget in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more amazing finds. Until next time, stay safe and stay prepared.